warning that recklessness among Kenyans is causing an upsurge of COVID-19 cases in the counties. According to the COG, demand for medical-grade oxygen in the Lake Region economic bloc counties has skyrocketed, and there is need for urgent interventions. This as Nakuru County increased production of oxygen cylinders from 40 to 120 per day. And as Ruth Wamboi reports, counties with high production of oxygen cylinders have committed to help those in need.
Demand for medical oxygen in hospitals across the country has increased as the third wave of COVID-19 continues to spread. The Council of Governors attributing the upsurge of patients to lack of adherence to the Ministry of Health guidelines. Counties have been forced to put in place internal mechanisms to cope.
Counties such as Nakuru has increased production of oxygen cylinders from 40 cylinders per day to 120. Additionally, Kisumu County has 2 oxygen generating plants with combined capacity of 375 liters per minute, running at full capacity.
At the same time, uptake of Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine has increased in the past 1 week, especially among the elderly.
County governments have increased the centers of vaccination as they anticipate demand for vaccine uptake in subsequent phases of the COVID-19 vaccine rollout.
Meanwhile, the Council of Governors is concerned by the high number of gender-based violence cases. West Pokot, Makueni, Migori, Vihiga, Bungoma and Meru counties have set up rescue centers to provide a safe haven for women and girls who are mostly affected.
We appeal to all of us to join hands in preventing and fighting and educating the public against gender-based violence.
Governors spoke in Nairobi as they received personal protective equipment worth 100 million shillings donated by development partners to help the frontline health workers.
COVID Action Fund for Africa, we can get together to organize PPEs that community health workers so need, and that these PPEs can actually continue to support healthcare workers so that they can be able to serve populations that we are serving.
Today basically is an extension of our mantra. We know COVID happened, there are various challenges at different levels, and we must all lean in as partners to come and try and support and work with governments towards this.
The war against coronavirus pandemic is still far from over. This is as the Council of Governors advises Kenyans in the lockdown countries to take the measure seriously. Reporting for Channel 1 News from Nairobi County, I'm Ruth Wamboi.